Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder of SelectorsHub. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get started with SelectorsHub after taking the subscription. So if you are not sure, like you have taken the subscription plan of SelectorsHub Pro and you are not sure how to use SelectorsHub Pro, then here I will show you. So it's very simple. As soon as you take the subscription plan, immediately you will get a mail in your inbox, something like this: your SelectorsHub Pro account has been activated from this email ID. And if you didn't find in your inbox, please check in the promotion folder. Like in Gmail, you must see that in inbox, then social, then promotion. So please check into the promotional. Rarely it can go there as well. Also, if you didn't find in your inbox or your under promotion, then please check inside the spam folder. It will be from info@testcasestudioPro.online. From this email you will get it. If you found any difficulty, like if you are not able to get this email after taking the subscription plan, then please write us at the selectorsHub@gmail.com. We will be more than happy to help you. Generally, immediately within 1 minute, maximum 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, maximum 1 to 2 minutes, you will get this email. Okay, cool. So here you will have your user email and password. So what you have to do then, if you have already installed SelectorsHub Pro, then it's good. If you haven't installed, then please install it from here. Just go to selectorshub.com, click on this install, and here you will see that add SelectorsHub Pro to your browser. So you see that there is a click to add Pro version to your browser. Click on this, and this is the SelectorsHub Pro. You can directly search on Chrome Store as well, but yeah, that's a direct link. Click on add to Chrome, add extension. So this got successfully added here. What you can do, you can pin it to toolbar, and now you see that SelectorsHub Pro is here. We already have the free version, so I would highly recommend to uninstall the free version if you want to continue enjoy using SelectorsHub Pro. I mean, you can keep both, that's up to you. So now let's open any website, right click, click on inspect, and here on the right side you see that there are a couple of tabs. Like left side there is DOM, on the right side style, computed, all those things are there, and SelectorsHub Pro will be the last tab here, you see. And here you have to enter that email ID and password which you have received in that email after taking the subscription. So just enter those credentials here. Make sure you enter the right credential, and then boom, here you can see that it has we have successfully logged in and everything, and now you can enjoy using this as usual. I would highly recommend that please check out the detailed tutorial from here, as well as I will add the description detailed tutorial link in the description. So please watch that to make all the features to make the best use of all the features here in SelectorsHub Pro. There are really incredible, like inspector, code you can generate, page object model maintenance, and lot more incredible features are there here in SelectorsHub Pro. Here you can, under profile, you can check out your plans and everything. All those things you will find it here, and whenever you want to change the password and everything, that you can do. So that's how you can get started with SelectorsHub Pro after taking the subscription plan. It's very simple, straightforward, there is no hassle. If at any point of time if you need any help, feel free to connect here. You see that need help, so that's the SelectorsHub channel, Slack channel, so you can connect with us over there. If you have any doubt, we are always here to help you. So I hope this solve your problem. Even after that, if you face any challenge, do let us know, we will be help you. And you see that next time when you will open SelectorsHub Pro, you will not have to log in. It will be just always logged in, and you just open and enjoy using it. It is just one-time process that you will have to log in. So yeah, that's pretty much about SelectorsHub Pro, and that's how you can get started. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming tutorial and innovation update from SelectorsHub site. With that, thank you so much.